back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge online retailer Overstock. They are hiring a customer service supervisor. Now, these 4 states that are listed right here, don't let that fool you. They are hiring remote, and they are expanding the states they're hiring in. Currently, they can hire in the following states: California, Connecticut, Idaho, Kansas, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. One thing to note, they do say this role will have occasional on-site expectations, but since they're hiring across a wide range of states, I don't know what location they would be expecting you to go to. I don't know how often occasional is. Is it once a year? And will they pay your travel expenses? Those might be some questions to ask in the interview if you're interested in this position. But they are basically looking for somebody to lead their customer service, which I assume is also remote, team. You'll actively lead and train members of the customer service team to achieve maximum results. You'll perform administrative duties. You'll document and evaluate your team's progress and development. You'll work alongside other managers and departments to improve processes for better customer service experience. You'll be the constant presence on the customer service production floor, or phone calls, actively interacting with associates to make sure that they're engaged in productive work. Basically, you'll oversee your team to make sure they're actually on the phones and working. You'll be the example, set the example, and resolve any customer escalations. If your customer care team cannot handle the customer, they may have to escalate a phone call up to you. But you are not actually on the phone taking phone calls inbound, but you will have to do some phone work. Now, this doesn't require very much experience for a supervisor position. They're only looking for 1 year of customer service experience in a call center and 1 year of some kind of supervisory experience. Have you been a team lead or something before? Excellent written and oral communication skills, great organizational skills with the ability to multitask, and of course, you have to know those Microsoft Office programs, including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, all the things. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Pay for this position's anywhere from $17.31 an hour all the way up to $21.15 an hour. And they do offer a benefit package that includes 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read the comments, and then when I'm searching for job leads to share, if I come across something I know someone is looking for, I will share that. But I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.